For the first time in more than 4 months, Barry Morphew is out of jail tonight after posting a $500,000 bond. It comes as a judge makes public a 130-page arrest affidavit detailing the evidence that led them to charge Morphew with first-degree murder and tampering with a human body, among other charges. Investigators allege Barry, quote, knowingly destroyed evidence that his relationship with Suzanne was deteriorating and that he was involved in her disappearance and homicide, end quote. Court documents show when officers first responded to the Morphew home, they found Suzanne's bicycle on the side of a hill. This picture was released to the public outside of court for the first time today, as were pictures of what appear to show Barry stopping at several trash cans and dumpsters around Denver the day Suzanne was reported missing.
There's no smoking gun here. There is no definitive piece of evidence that you would hope for as a prosecutor that links this person to a death.
9 News legal expert George Brauchler is a former district attorney and has prosecuted several high-profile murder cases. He says prosecutors will try to convince a jury that the circumstantial evidence is enough to prove Morphew's guilt, with Suzanne's body still missing.
You can prosecute an entire case with just circumstantial evidence. The law makes no distinction between direct and circumstantial evidence.
Investigators also found a tranquilizer dart cap and needle in the dryer inside the home. That's key evidence prosecutors have asked investigators about in the preliminary hearings. They believe this is the final picture Suzanne sent to the man she was having an affair with before she disappeared. When investigators first told Barry they'd discovered his wife was having an affair, he responded by looking to God. Quote, I'm not saying he did it to punish Suzanne because of her affair, he told investigators, but it makes more sense than what I knew before you guys came today. Barry denied knowing anything about Suzanne's affair. Now, last week, the judge ruled that Barry's case could go to trial. That is set to start next May. That means there's still plenty of time for new evidence to be found, which could be used to help either side in trial, Alex.
And talk about evidence. I mean, there's still no body in this case, and it's hard to try somebody for murder when you don't have a body.
Exactly, and investigators are still saying that they are continuing to search for Suzanne, though they won't give evidence or any details about where they're looking or anything like that, or what evidence they're still continuing to look for.
All right, we're glad you're following it for us. Thank you.